Why you'll never build wealth with just one income. There's a financial belief that sounds safe, stable, even responsible. Just get a good job and you'll be fine. But here's the uncomfortable truth. A single income is one of the most fragile financial positions you can be in. And most people don't realize this until it's too late. Because on the surface, it looks like everything is working. Money comes in, bills get paid, life moves forward. But underneath that system, there's a weakness, a silent risk that most people never prepare for. The problem is not that you earn money. The problem is you depend on one source, one stream, one channel, one lifeline. And the moment that lifeline is disrupted, everything else collapses with it. Think about it. Your rent doesn't pause. Your responsibilities don't wait. Your needs don't reduce. But your income, it can stop instantly. And when it does, you realize something most people ignore. Income is not security. Control is. Let's break this down. When you rely on one income, your growth is limited. Your time is controlled. Your financial ceiling is fixed. Because you're trading time for money, and time is limited. No matter how hard you work, you can only earn within that structure. And here's where it gets deeper. As your income increases, so does your lifestyle. More comfort, more expenses, more obligations. So even though you earn more, you don't feel richer, you feel heavier. That's the trap. Your mind starts to associate income with survival, not freedom. So instead of building wealth, you protect your paycheck. You stay safe, you avoid risk, and unknowingly, you stay stuck. Earn, spend, repeat, month after month, year after year. Not because you lack discipline, but because the system itself is limited, and anything limited can't create freedom. Wealth is not built from one source. It's built from multiple flows of income, because multiple income streams do one thing. They remove dependency. And when dependency is removed, control begins. Start simple. You don't need something big. You need something consistent. A side skill, a digital product, a small online income stream, content creation, freelance work. Not to replace your income immediately, but to expand your system. One income keeps you alive. Multiple incomes give you options, and options create freedom. Follow Capital Mechanics if you want to understand how money really works. Because wealth is not built by chance, it's built by design.